Here on Long Island, we have a modest little fish that, like the more well-known salmon, swims upstream to spawn. Like the salmon, it's born in fresh water, lives in salt water, and comes back to its freshwater birthplace to spawn. The fish is the alewife. One place among many on Long Island it spawns is the Peconic River. Each springtime, tens of thousands of alewife make their way back from the salty Atlantic to the Peconic, but man has interrupted their cycle. Since the colonial times, dams built on the river have blocked their way, but they are getting some help. A permanent natural fish ladder has been installed at Grangeville Park in downtown Riverhead. This special ladder has been designed to help the alewife naturally swim upstream unobstructed. The length and angle, along with the rocks and boulders, have been strategically placed to slow down the fast-running water so the alewife can easily swim up the river and spawn.